Today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make a simple windshield washer fluid for winter, so our windows don't ice up and everything like that. So first, we're gonna grab an empty gallon jug. All right. So now that we have our empty 1 gallon jug, and the reason why we're doing this is wintertime they charge you like $4 for this winter ultimate de-icer windshield washer fluid, and you don't need to pay $4. You can make it for pennies. It's very simple to make. And let's get this out of the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below and hit that notification bell too, so you can get my updated newest videos and whatnot, and hit that like button. And if you have any comments or questions, just write them down below and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. Okay. Then second, we're going to grab some Dawn, just some simple Dawn from the sink for washing dishes. And then we are going to grab some rubbing alcohol, 70%. Reason why we're going to use alcohol is alcohol has a freezing temperature of negative 170 degrees Fahrenheit, something around there. But the 70%, it's going to freeze at about negative 128, degrees Fahrenheit. So I don't think we're going to be driving out in the cold if it's negative 128 degrees. So then what we're going to do is we got to measure out our rubbing alcohol, and then we'll measure out our Dawn. What we're going to do is we're going to get we'll open this up, and we're going to just put about a third of an ounce or 3/4 of an ounce of Dawn in. Just kind of use your best judgment. About 1, 2, 3 squirts, and then we're going to take some of our rubbing alcohol, and we want to use between 6 and 8 ounces of rubbing alcohol. So let's get something to measure this out in. All right, so we're going to do about 8 ounces, which is a cup of rubbing alcohol. We'll pour this in here so we can easily put it into our jug, our 1 gallon jug. We're going to just pour it in. That's all we do. So now we're just going to fill this up with water. So we'll go over to the sink. All right, there you have it. You have about 1 gallon of winterized windshield washer fluid. It's so easy to make. There's no tricks whatsoever to doing it. It's just 3 simple ingredients: alcohol, rubbing alcohol, a little bit of Dawn, and water. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is we're just going to add some of this to the car. So when we wake up in the morning and there is an ice storm or anything like that, we're not going to have any worries. So, all right, that's pretty much filled up. We're good to go. We're going to save this. We're just going to put this on the shelf for later. All right, so that was a quick video on how to make our winter windshield washer de-icer. And it's very simple and easy to do. It costs probably a couple pennies to make, and I don't think it's worth spending $4 at the store to buy 1 gallon of this stuff. So if you liked this video, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And if you are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. Leave comments down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Hit the like button. I'm Phillip, and I will talk to you later.